As I was heading home from Well Sweep Herb Farm, which was last episode, I passed this park, which looked interesting, in Washington, New Jersey. We're not too far from the garden center that we were just at today. I passed the sign on the side of the road. So I thought I would check it out. Oh, look at the green coming out in the woods. Oh, this is going to be great. It's quite breezy today, but not in the woods here. I can hear the wind above me. But where I'm standing, it feels very calm. Oh, I hear a kingfisher. There's water right there. Let's go check it out. I'm gonna have to look at my map already. I see a bridge up here, so first we're gonna go look at that, and then I'll look at my map. Let's sit on this rock and look at the map. Well, it's a good thing I'm looking at the map because I wanted to go towards the lake. So we have to backtrack a little bit, which is par for the course. But it was nice to come here and check out this spot. I have decided to change my mind, and we're gonna walk along this creek for a little while on the blue and white trail. I don't know if I'm gonna do the whole loop, but we'll see how it goes, because if I do the whole loop, it should take me to the lake as well. So it's a beautiful day, and look at this. Let's go this way. Oh my goodness, let's go this way. And it's all mossy. This is fantastic. Wowzers. This is so beautiful right now. I have made another executive decision, and that is that we need to go back and not make the full loop, because for some reason, even though it's supposed to not be cloudy, it looks like it's gonna rain. So we're gonna go back, because I still want to go by the lake. So, and of course, as soon as I do that, the sun comes out again. We're good. We're gonna go find the lake. It is really pretty here. What's this? A spillway. That's the creek. Oh, here's the lake. How fascinating. It says 1915 over there on that wall. Imagine that. And we can get back to the van by taking this trail, I think. We will find out. It's very pretty. Now this says it's a red trail, which I did not see on the All Trails app. I need to look again and figure out which way to go. I think we have to go this way, up and straight. Very cool. I think I go this way. The arrow says I go this way. And the map says I go that way too. Oh, and there's my van right in front of me. Duh. Turn the phone off and look at the real world. That was fun. Thank you so much for coming along with me today. It's supposed to be 80 degrees out. I haven't looked recently, but it feels like it's 80 degrees out. So even though there's not a lot of green around me, although there is some, it's coming. It was really, really great to get out. Thank you so much for coming along with me. And until next episode, bye for now.